So started out being a pretty good monitor. I ordered it July of 2023, and it has stopped working already. Right now, no, it is not connected. However, it has been connected multiple times. Excuse all of my cords. So it's been connected multiple times. Here we go. And let me see if I can show you. Even with it being connected, nothing. I have press and held buttons. I have unplugged and plugged. I've adjusted the monitor in the back where my baby is, and absolutely nothing. For this, it's been out probably about 3 weeks now. For several months, the picture on it changed. You know how you're driving at night and you have the lights that'll come in and go out, and it's supposed to, I should still be able to see my child when the lights adjust, but instead it would create a glare, and the area where my child would be is completely dark, and I couldn't see her until all the light went away, and then it would readjust. Prior to it going out this last time, it was working perfectly. At night, it was doing exactly what it was supposed to do, and then it changed, and then it died. So, yeah, not a big fan right now at all. Like I said, I hadn't even had it a year.